What's the meaning of acid jazz? Acid jazz. Acid jazz. Acid jazz. Acid jazz. Acid jazz. Acid jazz is a genre of music that emerged in the 1980s and was popularized in the 1990s. It combines elements of jazz, funk, soul, and hip-hop, often incorporating electronic sounds and instruments. The term acid refers to the psychedelic and improvisational nature of the music, which often features extended instrumental solos and experimental structures. Acid jazz has a distinctive sound that emphasizes groove and rhythm, with a focus on creating a danceable and energetic atmosphere. Overall, acid jazz is a unique and dynamic fusion of genres that has had a lasting impact on contemporary music.